Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Tech. Today we will learn how we can just convert the text images into text with 99.9% accuracy. Actually, there are many apps are available on Play Store, but the about which we will discuss today is the app can convert that is the image into text, convert the image into text with 99.9% accuracy. I will just give a quick demo here how accurate it is. The app name is what? Yes, the app name is Adobe Scan. So you may heard the name and you may not heard the name. Yes, but I'm just showing you its utility, how it can make our work easier. Uh, for a now, I think my okay. This is my mobile view. Actually, you have to download that app from the Play Store, and in Play Store, actually, you have to search for the Adobe Scan. Just see here, this is the actually app. This is the Adobe Scan. So this is the app. From here, you have to install. After installing, yes, just open it. You just open the Adobe Scan, and after opening, just click here. Yes, this is a. I think. Yes, this is the area. Yes, you have to, you can just see use it for the saved file also, and you can use the camera also. Yes, now I will click what on, you have to click on this camera. Okay, when I am clicking on this camera, one thing, you just make sure that the pic you are taking of any physical file or any text, so that should be straight. It should be, it is very important actually. You make sure that the page or the things from where you are just taking the image, that should be the straight, and that should be the horizontal. Actually, if there is any bend, yes, it can, it actually, it does not copy the things exactly, the accuracy decreases. So the please make sure the text or the file, or you can say the page, should be straight, should be straight. It there is no vein or link on in the page. Okay, yeah, I think it has been copied in correct posture. Yes, it has been copied. Now this is actually the file which has been copied. Yes. Now we will save it with the name. Yes, I am giving the name, a simple name, that is today's work. Okay, and save this pdf. Just give any name and save this video, it will be saved. And from here you can just there are many options are given here. You can just share to the WhatsApp also, you can mail it also, or just I am doing the very easiest step, that I am just copying this file to the my Google Drive. So yes, I am just saving this in Google Drive. Yes, it will take some time to be uploaded on the Google Drive. I have just uploaded it into Google Drive. I'm just showing you now. This is my Google Drive. Yes, this I will do refresh. In Yes, just see here, and that work has been uploaded here. That sheet had been uploaded here. Yes, from here we can copy the content. We can copy these things. These are in, just see here, you can imagine this is actually the pic actually we had taken. Yes, that is converted into PDF by the Adobe Scan, and now you can copy the things from here. Yes, I am showing you how accurate it is. Just see here, now you can copy the things from here. I'm just copying up to here. Just see here, I'm just copying up to here. Okay, now I'm showing you the accuracy of this app. Okay, now this is the notepad, and just see here. Actually, yes, I have copied. I have not done any kind of editing in it. I'm showing the exact what I have just taken the pic and how it has been converted into text. Just see the accuracy in Young's double slit experiment with post office S also, with comma also. There is no any app that can copy the post office S, that can copy the full stop, that can copy the comma. In Young double experiment, the width of the fringe is obtained with the light of wavelength 600. Just see here 6000 angstrom. Actually there is some in this symbol. In this symbol, this is actually angstrom. The symbol of angstrom is not this. Yes, this can be there when there is some special symbol. So yes, actually it does not identify that kind of a symbol. Yes, that's why I have mentioned with 99.9%. There are chances that 0.1% it will be not accurate in some cases. Just see here in 2 mm dot. Just see a dot is also copied. Full stop. Calculate the fringe width if the entire apparatus is immersed in liquid medium of refractive index 1.33. Here actually point, but here actually it is what, just it has copied semicolon tag. Okay, no issue. Yes. CVSC, and the answer is just like this. Find the ratio of this. Just see here, this is I think question number 34. I think yes, this is the 34. Find the ratio of the intensity of the 2 points. Just see the text, it is only it will be only inaccurate in the case of what I am showing you, the bar in case of some symbol in, but it is always accurate in full stop. It will always accurate 100% accuracy in the sentence or in the word. Yes, yeah, only it is not accurate in when any special symbol is used, in that case only. So just see, this is the accuracy and it makes our work more easier. Yes, I think if this video is useful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel for this kind of a video in the future. Okay, thank you.